how to delete a Gcash account and create a new account with the same phone number. I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Gcash account and create a new account with the same phone number. To delete your Gcash account and create a new one with the same phone number, first, gather your identification documents. You will need these for verification. Then download the account deletion request form from the Gcash website or app. Fill it out and submit it through the Gcash Help Center. If someone else is handling this for you, they will need to submit additional documents like an authorization letter and IDs. Once your request is processed, which may take a few days, you can proceed to create a new account. To set up your new Gcash account, download the Gcash app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Open the app, enter your mobile number, and input the 6-digit authentication code sent to you. Then choose New Account, fill in your details, and set a 4-digit MPIN. Once you confirm, your new Gcash account will be ready to use.